Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and doing revisions at your homes. I am your social studies teacher from PMGHS-II for class 4th. Dear students, in today's class we will do the revision of lesson number 3, Climate. Quickly open your books. Page number 19 we have lesson number 3, Climate. Let's start. The word climate means Abohawa. The English meaning of climate is the general weather conditions in an area over a long period of time. Weather means the day-to-day conditions of heat and cold, humidity, cloudiness, dryness or rain in any place. Climate means the weather conditions in a region over a long period of time. For example, the climate of northern Pakistan is cold, whereas the climate in most parts of the Punjab is dry. Now you will get confused about the term using climate or weather. Let's talk in detail. Weather can change within a few minutes or hours, and climate takes very long time to change. Now we have importance of climate. So what is the importance of climate? Yes, climate has a great effect on people's lives, plants, crops, and it also affect on the land in an area. There is a map of Pakistan on page number 19. This is a climatic map of Pakistan. On the top we have 4 different colors showing different areas of Pakistan. First color is showing the hot summer and mild winter. Second color is showing the warm summer and mild winter. Third is showing the warm summer, cool winter. Warm to cool summer, cool to cold winter is here. Okay, these all colors are using in this map and showing different areas. Okay, now we will discuss about the factors that is affecting the climate. The first factor is rainfall. Okay, now rainfall or humidity is a very important factor for climate and plant growth. Some parts of the world get more rain than others as they lie in the path of rain bearing winds. Some areas are very dry as they receive very little or sometimes there is no rain at all. Okay, now we will discuss about importance of rainfall. Now what is the importance of rainfall? Rainfall is an important factor of climate as it provides water which is important for the survival of humans, plants and animals. The storms can also damage roads, buildings and railway networks. The second is height or altitude. Okay, the earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. High above the earth's surface, the atmosphere is quite cold. This is why it is colder in the mountains than nearer to the coast. The northern mountainous part of our country is cold throughout the year. Here we have a word atmosphere. Atmosphere means layers of air or gases. And another word is altitude. So altitude means the height above the sea level. Okay, dear students, the next topic is closeness to the sea. Places close to the sea usually have cool breezes blowing from the sea towards the land. This helps to keep the temperature down in the hot summer months. Karachi has a temperate climate since it is neither very hot nor very cold. The next is sheltered areas. Sheltered areas mean covered areas. Okay, some places are sheltered from the wind and the rain. For example, a range of hills can act as a barrier. One side may get lot of rain, but the other side gets very little. This affects the climate of the place, as in the case of Chitral and Gilgit, which are in a rain shadow or sheltered areas. The next we have monsoon. The monsoon is a seasonal wind that blows from June to September in the subcontinent and across southeast of Asia. It brings rain when it blows across from the southwest over the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. The diagram will help you to understand how the monsoon wind causes rain. In Pakistan, the monsoon arrives in the summer. Rain clouds blow towards the west coast and the central plains of India. By the time the monsoon winds reach Pakistan, there is little rainfall left. Monsoon rains in Pakistan fall between the months of July and September. Winter rainfall is mainly in the north and west of the country, brought by winds blowing over Iran and Afghanistan. By the time they reach Pakistan, there is little rain left. Okay, the next topic we have, what does the weather report say? Okay, now why do people look at weather reports and try to predict the weather? One reason is that the forecast of the weather can help people to protect themselves and their property. If farmers know that there will be no rain, they can arrange the water for their crops. Keeping a record of the weather can help us to predict the weather and notice any patterns or changes. Governments and big companies use weather reports to plan ahead. They need to make sure the demand for resources, such as electricity, for example, can be met. We also use weather forecasts to help us decide what to wear and whether to take an umbrella, a sun hat, a coat, or extra water with us when we go outside. If we know that a big storm is coming, we can put away our things and make sure they are secure. We also need to know if our planned activities will be possible. For example, it is much nicer to have a sports day on a warm, sunny day. Here we have some instruments that are using in for finding out the weather report. Number 1, we have thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature, the heat in degrees or Celsius. The second picture is a rain gauge. Rain gauge is used to measure the rainfall in millimeters. The next is weather vane. This is the picture of weather vane instrument. The weather vane shows the direction of the wind. And the next instrument is anemometer. Anemometer is measured for wind speed. The next we have barometer. Barometer measures the air pressure of an area. Okay, dear students, now you have homework for class 4th. Learned lesson number 3, climate full. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.